There are a number of advantages to being a Volvo Certified Collision Repair Shop. First and foremost, you have access to the latest technical bulletins and access to information on how to repair today's increasingly complex vehicles. Additionally, we provide training to your technicians to ensure they can handle the toughest tasks. And lastly, we require the usage of genuine parts, ensuring the highest quality vehicle repairs. As a certified repair collision facility, we'll feature you on our Tier 1 website and provide you marketing materials to help promote your business to Volvo consumers. First and foremost, it requires a partnership with a Volvo retailer. So Volvo retailer will sponsor the Certified Collision Repair Shop, and then we'll start the process. We'll visit the Certified Collision Shop, we'll do an assessment of their facility, an assessment of their tools, and then we'll look to provide training to ensure they can repair the vehicles to the highest standard. Studies have shown that oftentimes consumers refer back to their selling retailer for advice as to where to have their vehicle repaired in the event of a collision. So establishing that relationship with a certified collision shop ensures you can deliver to that consumer the same level of quality and customer satisfaction that you would deliver normally through your operation. There's a lot of benefits to the consumer with the Volvo Certified Collision Program. Our goal with Volvo is to make our customers' life less complicated. And a certified collision program is one element in that. Whether the customer's vehicle requires repair or maintenance, we want to provide a certain experience. In the event of a collision, we want to provide the same experience. We want to guarantee that level of quality and consistency. And if we do it right, it'll lead to higher customer loyalty and advocacy for our brand. And what's most important for consumers is they purchase our vehicles for a reason. It's typically about the safety of the vehicles and the quality of the vehicles. And we want to ensure we deliver them back to the consumer in the same condition as before the accident.
I feel that the Volvo Certified Program will increase my business. Over the last few years, retailers have had to change the way they do business, partly because of the insurance industries and using different parts, aftermarket parts or used parts. But the certified program helps ensure that we're putting genuine Volvo parts in the repair. As a retailer, I've certified a few shops already, and I was very pleased with how easy it was to do the certification. The Volvo Certified team took care of most of the details. I believe the OE is the future of the collision industry. In addition to customer satisfaction and having the consumer's car repaired correctly, it helps steer work to smaller shops, which increases my wholesale business.
It's so important for Volvo owners to first know that there's facilities out there that can repair their cars properly. I think a lot of times people, when they get into an accident, they need to know that they could bring it to a facility, have it repaired properly. To this, the average consumer, I don't think they understand what that means. Volvo has made it possible now for us to go to our computer, to bring up that vehicle, and we could find out exactly how to repair it. The materials that we need, the equipment that's needed, and the technician that should be working on that car. He has to have certain certifications, and we want to ensure that when we give this car back to the consumer, that it's just as safe as when Volvo built it. The consumer benefits from bringing their vehicle to a certified facility, so many reasons. First off, they're going to get their Volvo back pre-accident condition. It's going to be just as safe as when Volvo built that car. Volvo has several hundred shops across the country now certified so that they can ensure that these cars are being fixed properly. If I'm going to put my own family in a car, I want to know that it was repaired properly. With today's vehicles, it's so important with the advanced technology that Volvo uses that we could now do the same thing here at our facility. That the shops that they choose to have an alliance with could repair these cars properly. And Volvo North America has chosen Master Collision to do so.
I believe the future of the industry is going to rely heavily on the OEM certifications such as Volvo's program. To be a #1 shop or to be a shop that's able to fix a car correctly, you're going to need to have the certification programs and training by the manufacturers as the vehicles are designed to enact properly in an accident. The partnership between dealer and body shop is crucial. In our experience, when a customer is involved in an accident, they will refer back to the dealership on advice on where to bring their cars for repairs. In the event the consumer is referred to a non-certified facilities for repairs and the car is repaired incorrectly, this will have a direct effect on customer retention and brand loyalty. Over the next decade, I believe there'll be 50% reduction in the shops that are currently in the market now. It's time to wake up, get on the bandwagon, start repairing cars correctly, and get involved. You need to invest into your future. As technology advances in the cars and the repair process, you need to be on board. You need to start now.
Volvo parts are designed to an exact specification and they're manufactured to perform. An aftermarket part just can't meet that quality. There's no way for you as a customer to know whether your vehicle will operate the way it was designed with aftermarket parts. Those parts aren't tested the same way as an OEM part is tested. Volvo spends a lot of time investing in their parts for research and development to make those parts the best they can, and that's why you should use an OEM part. Our training facilities offer in-depth training, hands-on, plus instructor-led. We offer the latest technology in new platforms, hybrid technology, and safety systems. Our Volvo Certified Collision facilities have the proper equipment, tooling, and training to bring your vehicle back to factory specifications.
So I started this business in 1982 with a clear vision of trying to be able to repair a car the best way we possibly could. And back in 1982, we didn't have the manufacturer's resources. They weren't sharing information with us. We were very limited to what we could come up with. Today, the standards are so much better and there's so much demand for a higher quality repair, and the manufacturers are sharing all their information with us. So it gives us the ability to really create a repair that's pre-accident.
The reason we love working alongside with Volvo is because every time that I repair a Volvo for one of my customers, I can look them dead in the eye and tell them with 100% certainty that, you bought your car because it's the safest car on the road. When you get your car back, it's still the safest car on the road. Volvo entrusts us to give our customers that level of repair and that level of certainty, and that's what we strive for every time.
Being a Volvo certified repair facility, we're in turn an extension of the brand. We work alongside Volvo to ensure that we have the proper tools, equipment, and repair documentation in order to perform the proper repair to ensure that our customer trusts us that their car is repaired back to its pre-accident condition and it's still safe as it was the day that they bought it. Our consumers and Volvo entrust us to perform the proper repair. Volvo provides us with the tools in order to restore a customer's car to its pre-accident condition. Here in J&B, we're focused on properly repairing the car and creating a customer for life.